Ready to take your art to the next level? Let's explore how AI can be your next great collaborator. Are you an artist looking to explore new frontiers? AI art is not just about technology, it's about expanding your creative possibilities. First tip, start simple. Use AI tools to tweak your photos or sketches. It's like having a digital assistant by your side. Next, experiment with different styles. From surreal to hyper-realistic, AI can mimic any style. Imagine combining Van Gogh's strokes with your unique twist. And remember, collaboration is key. Use AI to generate ideas, but always add your personal touch. It's your vision enhanced by AI, not replaced. Lastly, keep learning. The world of AI art is ever evolving. Join online forums, take courses, and connect with other AI artists. Together, you'll push the boundaries of what art can be. So, grab your tools, and let's create something incredible with AI. Your canvas awaits.